Okay, well here is a Sony Digital 8 Handycam DCR-TRV310. And yes, it is the NTSC version. And the customer did supply a little note here. Tapes rewind kind of slow. Video playing but not showing on the screen. Menu selection wheel jitters, cursor all over the screen. Yes, that is a very common problem with these units. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just try to put this in the VCR mode. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it is in the VCR mode. We'll go ahead and open the screen and let you take a look at it. I'm going to go ahead and open the door. Let's move it over here just a little bit. And I'll just pop a tape into it. Tape. Where'd the tape go? One moment, please. Okay, so I do have a tape, and it is recorded in the Digital 8 mode. And I think it's at the very end of the tape. So we'll hit play and turn on the display. And it does show it is playing. Okay. That's the end of the tape. Rewind it back a little bit. It seems to be working just fine. Stop it, hit play. It's going to digital 8 from high 8 or 8. And that is playing perfectly fine. So what is going on? Let's stop it. I'll get a regular 8mm tape, something with just video recorded on it. And we'll hit play. And it's going to try to play a digital 8 tape first, where the cylinder speeds up to twice normal speed. And then once it determines it's not a digital tape, it'll slow down and play it in regular. And oh, that is a digital 8 tape, and it is playing fine. Okay, I thought it was regular high 8. Okay, one moment. Let me rewind this, and then we'll get it started. Okay, I've rewound the tape, and so we'll hit play. And there's nothing on the tape. Okay, good. Good job. Stop. Eject. And we'll go ahead and try a different tape. And it's playing perfectly fine. I don't get it. What the heck is going on? I'm going to turn on the capture device. Capture in 3, 2, 1. Capture. And yeah, there is what is playing back. Perfectly fine. I don't see any defects in this picture at all. Remember, the customer said a video playing but not showing on the screen. I'm seeing it, and the capture is taping it. So, yeah. Now, let's address the fast forward rewind issue. So we'll stop it. I'm just going to turn it so that you can actually kind of see the tape inside here. And we'll hit rewind. And that seems about right to me. They didn't really haul butt to speak of when these things were new. But here's the sound. I'm moving my microphone over here. I don't hear it bogging or slowing down or stressing too terribly much. So we'll stop it. We'll hit play once again. And there it is playing perfectly fine. So, yeah. Okay, next stop is the scroll wheel. So I'm going to go ahead. Let's zoom out. That's way too close, isn't it? So the scroll wheel. So we'll hit menu, and if I turn the wheel, oh yeah, that's terrible. I'm barely touching the thing. And it's like all over the place. So I'm wondering, can I put some deoxit into this, and will it actually find the contacts, or are they kind of sealed up? So I've just got a can of regular deoxit D5. This is the best for contact switches. If you have a potentiometer, a volume control, a fader, then you definitely want to use the deoxit F5. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to spray some in here. And you really can't see much because this stupid thing is right in the way, isn't it? Still in the way. What the heck? I thought they slid out and... thought they moved up perfectly flat. Anyhow, I went ahead and sprayed some deoxit around this. I'm just going to roll it around a few times. And it's got a push button, so we'll push it. And then we'll hit menu again and see if it made... Oh, wow. It made all the difference in the world. I can scroll up. I can scroll down. The select button works perfectly. I can scroll this thing across the screen. Wow, everything is working excellent. Wow, just a little bit of deoxit. That's all it took. I'll have to do this on my camcorder. I have the, I picked it up for 20 bucks at the pawn shop, the DCR-TRV310. This one has a video printer built into it. And so you could actually print photos. And somewhere over here, I think this door opens up somehow. And it would shoot the picture out. Oh yeah, open that up and it shoots out this little picture right here. Anyhow, my scroll wheel is in the same exact shape as this customer's. But anyhow, yeah, it's working perfectly now. Look at that. Up, down. It's not bouncing all over the place. Try it one more time. And, oh yeah, still got a tape in there. I think the capture device is still running. And we'll hit play. Finally, it's going to start playing. There it goes. And it's playing perfectly fine. So, other than cleaning the scroll wheel, I cannot find any issues with this unit whatsoever. Alright, well, thank you for watching the short little video. I really do appreciate it. Once again, thank you for your patience since the accident that my daughter and son-in-law were in. I really appreciate your patience on this matter. Been trying to get time to get work done, and it just it's tough with so much going on right now. They are healing, they are getting better, and my daughter can drive once again, so that is a big relief. All right, everyone, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, capture in 3, 2, 1, capture, record test. Okay, so I thought I would go ahead and just do a record test to make sure this thing actually does record, and it is on. It's telling me set the clock and turn the volume down on my monitor. There we go. Well, I'm not going to set the clock, so it's going to be just fine. Okay, here we go, recording in the digital 8 mode. And we just put something out here to look at. And it seems to be recording just fine. We'll let it record for a moment. And from what I can see, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so we'll go ahead and stop this. Put it back in the playback mode. Rewind it back to the beginning. Turn on the display. And we'll hit play. And from what I can see, it is playing back perfectly fine. Turn up the audio, make sure we have sound. And it seems to be recording just fine. And I do hear sound. Okay. A moment. Okay, as far as I can tell, it's fixed. Just had to clean the little rotation switch right there, the select switch for the menu. And from what I can see, it's... All right, another one saved from the recycle bin. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.